woman who allegedly stole 11-day-old baby at KPH now charged. Mutilated bodies of two men found along Den Beholden Main Road. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A child stealing charge has been laid against 40-year-old Susanna Greenfield of Oxford Street in Kingston Central in relation to an incident at the Kingston Public Hospital in downtown Kingston on Monday, March 11. Reports from the Denanton police were that about 10:05 a.m., Greenfield approached the mother of the child, who is wheelchair-bound, and offered to assist her with the baby. The mother subsequently handed her the baby, and while talking, Greenfield reportedly left, claiming that she would return momentarily. The mother attempted to stop her, but she allegedly left with the baby and did not return. A report was made to the police, and the compound was checked, but there were no signs of the infant or Greenfield. Later that same day at about 3:35 p.m., the police, acting on information, went to Northumberland Lane in Dunkirk, Kingston 16, where the baby girl and Greenfield were found. Greenfield was subsequently arrested and was charged on Tuesday, March 12. A court date is being finalized for her. Two unidentified men were discovered murdered in the vicinity of a pump house along Dunbeholden Main Road, St. Catherine, on Wednesday. They were found face down with gunshot wounds and partially severed necks. Their hands and feet were bound, and they were clad in shorts and without shirts. More details to come following further investigations.